What does Memorial Island, the River's Edge Trail, this boat ramp, and the Lewis and Clark Interpretive Center have in common? NorthWestern Energy.
NorthWestern Energy is the licensee through a Federal Energy Regulatory Commission license to operate our hydro facilities along the Madison and the Missouri rivers. And so as part of that license, we're required to provide a recreation program to essentially mitigate any impacts from the hydropower facilities and the reservoirs along that river corridor.
Their recreation program started in 2000 and has grown ever since.
We have 9 facilities there, 8 that generate electricity, and then Guinn, which is a storage reservoir.
The program consists of 3 main parts: a comprehensive recreation plan, a cooperative management agreement with different governments, and the river fund.
They set up a grant fund essentially that is dedicated to supporting recreation resources along this corridor.
To date, the River Fund has provided more than $6 million towards recreation in the area. These funds help with a multitude of projects.
Replacement of a water well that may have gone dry. We've had some of those recently. It can be to replace a boat dock at a boat launch that's aged and getting worn out.
A huge amount of these resources have gone directly to Great Falls recreation.
There's been about 40% of total River Fund grants that have gone to Great Falls. And we actually keep it a little bit separate when we're trying to do visitor use surveys, trying to get satisfaction on a revolving basis, because Great Falls is unique in the way that it's more connected to town.
A series of public meetings will be held to get input from the community in September and October. Go to our website to see the exact details.
And we're just wanting to get, any entity that wants to come and provide input and hear what we do. Yeah, it's a unique program. Most hydropower facilities manage it a little differently, where they kind of take it on themselves to do all of it, and then a little bit of stuff in between. But we really find the value of partnering with all these different entities, as they know their areas a little bit better than we do, trying to manage such a large corridor.
In Great Falls, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.